In this video, we're going to be unboxing and checking out this 5-in-1 Immersion hand blender set. My Immersion blender that I've had for the last 5 years just recently stopped working on me, and so I threw it away, and so I wanted to get a new one and decided to go with this one. So we're going to open it up, see what you get, and walk you through how some of the products work in here. So straight out of the box, I have not even opened this yet, so we're just going to pull it out and see what all we get. Packaged in here very well. So, all right, the first thing you have is the Immersion blender itself, and as you can see here, it has the button and you can push it in, and that's how you're going to get it to work. You also, this is the stick blender that you're going to be able to use, and I'll show you that here in a second. You've got an instruction manual that walks you through how to use each thing in here. You have a whisk attachment. You've got a cup with measurements on the side that goes up to 11 ounces, and it also goes up to 600 milliliters. You've got this chopper here, and it looks like for storage, oh, I'm sorry, this is gonna be for the whisk. And then you've also got a double frother in here. So that's everything that you've got inside the box. So I'm gonna get this out of the way, and we'll just go through everything here. So I use this quite a bit, and what I use it for a lot is for making actually homemade ranch at home. So what I do is I put all of my ingredients into here. So I use my milk and my mayonnaise and my seasoning, and then I'm able to put that in here. You just click this on, and then you're gonna go into here with this, and you'll push the button and it'll mix it up really good. Another thing I like to do is I like to make my own mayonnaise. So something like this would probably be great for that it comes with. Obviously I have this that I already had out. I didn't know that this was gonna be in there, but with this you could just drop an egg in there, some vinegar, some mustard, some salt, and then you use a cup of oil, and you can just blend this in here. And this is made perfectly, obviously this came with it, so you can see it's got the perfect blend there at the bottom. So I will probably be using this to make my mayonnaise from now on. But again, that's what this attachment's for. Now, say you wanted to chop up something, you can easily hook it up to this, and then when you push the button, it's gonna spin in here. So you got a chopper. It can be used for chopping up vegetables. You can use this to make salsa, different things like that. It's gonna be just like a little blender. So that's another attachment that you get here. And then for these other two attachments, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop this piece on, and then from there, you can attach your frother into here. So that clicks into place right there, and then once that's clicked in, you've got that, and now you can use this as a frother. So say you wanted to froth up something, your coffee in the morning. I make my wife matcha drinks, and I use this to blend up the matcha. So that's one thing that you can use that for. And then you also get a whisk, and this is what they consider this as an egg whisk. So if you're making eggs and you want to beat your egg whites to make like fluff, you can use this to do it because it's going to whip it at a very high speed. Obviously, you could use this to mix other things as well that you need a whisk for. But if you don't need it at a very high, rapid rate, then this might not be necessary. But definitely if you're making egg whites and making it into a fluff, meringue, this is going to work great for that. So I'm very impressed with this. I'm looking forward to trying it out. Another thing I like to do is make soups. So if I make a tomato soup, you can cook all your vegetables and get it in here with the broth, and then you just put this in here. Even while it's cooking, these work at high temperatures, so you're able to blend this up while your soup is cooking. Anyway, a lot of great uses for this. I'm very excited because my last one was giving me issues over the past month or so. Finally just tossed it and decided to go with the new one. So wanted to show you what all you get with this one, and looking forward to trying it out, and definitely recommend checking it out.